Okay, on to our second dish. Chef James Balbacua?
Bats Balbacua. Hello, Ron.
Okay, hi.
Hi.
Okay. Ganda nito, hindi ako nagluluto.
Yan nga eh.
Alright, anong gagawin natin dito?
We call it Bats Balbacua.
Bakit Bats?
It's under my name.
Eh, James pangalan
Yeah,
mo. Bat is your nickname.
Yeah, it's actually it's Bata. It's a Bata. Like in Philippines, it's a boy.
Very exotic tong dish na gagawin
Yeah.
natin, ha? So, bukod sa paborito ng laseng, o mga nalaseng, paborito rin ba ito ng mga Chicago Dirt Riders members?
Actually, pang-pamilya rin ito.
Okay.
Because I tried this, actually, I'm joining in the Christian church. Like
Pinapakain mo yung mga taga-simbahan nito?
Yeah, I bring it once and I cook it there, and because we have also some of the Sundays you have to bring your own food.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't know any kind of cooking. So
Non-Filipinos eat this dish?
yeah, but mostly of the members of the church are Filipino. That's why.
Okay. O, bago ba tayo magkwentuhan, ready ka na magluto?
Yeah. We already put the cow's feet here with the water, and we're really boiling it, and we put ginger,
Para pampatagal ng
langsa.
lansa nga. O, sige, tatakpan na natin.
We have to wait until it boils for 3 minutes. Then we have to remove the water and change with new one.
Oh, so
Then-
this is the trick part of it, the tricky
Yeah.
part of it. Meron na po tayo naka-ready dito na napakaluan na ni James for several hours. So anong susunod na gagawin dito pag kumukulo na siya?
During the process about boiling, you have to all the time ihalo mo kasi magdidikit sa ilalim. You put salt while it's boiling.
In the meantime, habang hinahalo po ni James yun, nagpainit na kami ng about 2 tablespoons ng canola oil sa isang non-stick skillet.
Gisa natin yung bawang muna.
And then we add the ginger.
Mga 3 minutes, pwede na natin idagdag yung onion leaves. The banana pepper, we put it pag malapit na maluto.
Okay. So, pag malambot na yung balbacua, what is the next step?
Pagkatapos na niya, malambot na lahat, so ilagay na natin to. Yung,
Dito idadagdag mo na itong ginisang scallions sa ginger. Pampalasa at pampakulay, ilang kutsarang toyo?
mga 3 tablespoon.
Mga kaibigan, makikita po natin later at matitikman ang Bats Balbacua, right?
Yeah.
Sa pagbabalik po ng Live Pinoy Style, tumong recipe sa dalawang tatay ng Chicago Dirt Riders. Huwag po kayo maalis.
This Philippine cuisine tidbit is brought to you by Seafood City.
Humba is usually translated as braised pork belly, a dish that's quite common in the Visayas and Mindanao Islands. Inihahambing po ito sa patatim in Chinese cuisine, although the classic humba is usually sweeter and the meat is more gelatinous. Ilan sa mga variations nito ay merong black beans or tausi, banana blossoms, gabi or taro. Ang balbacua naman can be found sold in carinderias and food stalls in the same regions. Usually, pinaparisan po ito ng beer or soft drinks. There are versions that use carabao skin. Obviously, matagalan din ang pagpapakulo nito dahil makapal at matigas ang balat ng kalabaw.
This Philippine cuisine tidbit is brought to you by Seafood City.
And welcome back po dito sa Live Pinoy Style, and we are still celebrating Father's Day dito sa aming show. We're still cooking with the members of the CDR or Chicago Dirt Riders. At ang napili pong episode na to, medyo may pagka-exotic po ang mga pagkain na niluluto namin ngayon. These are the classic Filipino yet exotic dishes ng Visayas and Mindanao. Tama ba?
Yes.
And right next to me is Orly Rubio, who's gonna be cooking our next dish.
Okay, so now I would like to prepare the pinakurat.
Ano yung pinakurat?
Pinakurat is in English food 911.
No, seriously.
Yeah, actually I'm kidding, but this is the story. Mostly Filipino people, they're having a fiesta celebration, so that's why they prepare like pinakurat because it's easy to cook quickly and they can eat right away. Okay, so first of all, this is tenderloin, and I have to slice very thin.
Ikaw yata ang chef consultant ng CDR eh.
Pwede rin. So, kung papayag sila sa akin.
Pag slice na lahat, what's next? we're gonna put yung isang buong lime.
Yeah, so it depends. So, kasi 1 pound na itong meat natin. So, one lime and a little bit vinegar. So, that's good enough.
Okay.
Here's the salt. So, a little bit. Toyo.
Ilang kutsarang toyo?
Like one kutsara.
Okay.
1 tablespoon. Mix it together.
Importante po na malinis ang kamay nyo because you're gonna be using your hands squeezing the juice out of the meat. Katulad ng ginagawa ni Chef Orly.
Yeah.
Okay, so sineparate mo yung juice ng meat na merong lime juice. Tapos gagawin mong sauce yung liquid.
Yeah.
Okay, habang ginagawa mo yan, meron ba ako matutulong sa'yo? What
Okay,
process?
can you help me? So we have to heat the pan.
Okay.
And put some oil on it.
Alright. I'm preheating the pan with 2 tablespoons of canola oil habang inihahanda po ni Orly ang garlic and then ginger.
Yeah.
Alright? At saka sili.
Sili.
Anong klaseng sili yan?
Jalapeno.
Right. Mainit na to, Orly, so what do you want me to do?
Okay, so I have to put this garlic.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna cook this for about 30 seconds, I would assume.
Natutuhan ko to sa...
Saan mo natutunan tong recipe na to, Orly?
From my father.
So dinagdag na po namin yung scallions or green onions. And then, right after that, we are adding about 1 small yellow onion that's peeled and sliced thinly. Okay, then after the onions, we added the ginger. Kapag kaluto na po yung onion and medyo brown na, which took about 2 to 3 minutes, dinagdag na po namin yung juice na ni-squeeze from the combination of lime juice at saka yung beef tenderloin. Ito ba tama na?
Yeah.
Okay na to?
Okay
you
na
want me
yan.
to turn you off?
Yeah.
Sige.
Then we have to start
Okay.
adjust into high. Make it up.
And then pag mainit na po yung inyong kawali, nakialam na ako.
Okay.
Alright.
That's good.
We're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of canola oil again.
Together. So we have to prepare this like 5 minutes because I think it's more than half pound. And then put the pepper, chili, and then the red pepper.
Now, anong gagawin natin?
Okay, so I have to slice the
Scallions.
Meat turn into brown.
Obvious na mahilig kang magluto. Alam mo kung bakit? Mabilis kang
Mag-slice.
magluwa. Mga kaibigan, in this recipe, we're using about 3 sprigs of scallions.
Finally, I have to test first. Okay. Mix it together.
Okay.
Then that's it.
Alright.
I'm ready to eat.
Okay. Patayin na natin, ha?
Patayin na.
Okay. Nagdating na yung mga ibang members ng CDR.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys,
Sige.
come on in.
Alright. Salamat, Marty.
Okay, thank you.
Kain na, tsaka inuman tayo mamaya.
Sure.
Sige. Let's clean up and we'll have Bobby for our 4th dish.
Okay.